Good morning, students. Today, let us recall Geography Chapter 1 India, Size and Location. India is a vast country located in the northern hemisphere. Its mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. India is divided into almost two equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer. It passes through the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Andaman and Nicobar Islands situated in southeast of mainland in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands situated southwest of mainland in Arabian Sea are the two groups of islands belonging to India. Students, now I am going to revise. Choose the correct options. Which parallel of latitude divides India into almost two equal parts? We have four options: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, none of these. Correct option is A, Tropic of Cancer. Next, question number 2. Where is Indra Point located? We have four options: in Lakshadweep Islands, in Andaman Islands, in Nicobar Islands, in Maldives. Correct option is C, in Nicobar Islands. Now, question number 3. What is the total geographical area of the Indian landmass? We have four options: 3.28 million square kilometer, 3.38 million square kilometer, 3.58 million square kilometer, 4.08 million square kilometer. Correct option is A, 3.28 million square kilometer. Next, question number 4. What is the percentage of India's total area in relation to the total geographical area of the world? We have four options: 2.4, 3.4, 2.6 and 3.9. The correct option is A, 2.4. Next, question number 5. Which of the following statements is correct? You have four statements given below. India is the 5th largest country of the world. India is the 6th largest country of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. India is the smallest country of the world. Correct option is C, India is the 7th largest country of the world. Next, question number 6. From which place in Uttar Pradesh does the standard meridian of India pass? You have four options: Kanpur, Allahabad, Mirzapur, Lucknow. Correct option is B, Mirzapur. Now, question number 7. Which influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north? Again, we have four options: longitudinal extent, latitudinal extent, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Correct option is B, latitudinal extent. Now, question number 8. In which year was the Suez Canal opened? We have four options: A, 1769, B, 1801, C, 1850, D, 1869. Correct option is D, 1869. Question number 9. How many states are there in India? We have four options 25, 29, 28, and 31. Correct option is C 29. Next, question number 10. What is the number of union territories of India? We have four options A 9, B 8, C 10, D 12. Correct option is A 9. Next, question number 11. With which country or countries does India share its land boundaries in the northwest? We have four options Pakistan and Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Afghanistan and China, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Correct option is D. Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question number 12. Where are Maldives Islands situated? To the south of the Lakshadweep Islands, to the north of the Lakshadweep Islands, to the north of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, to the south of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Correct option is A. To the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. Now, question number 13. With which country or countries does India share its land boundaries in the east? Four options are Nepal and Bhutan, Nepal and China, Pakistan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Correct option is Myanmar and Bangladesh. Let us discuss about very short answers type questions. Question number 1. In which hemisphere does India lie? India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Next, question number 2. What is India's rank in the northern hemisphere? In terms of size, India is the 7th largest country of the world. In terms of size, India is the 7th largest country of the world. Next, question number 3. Mention the land boundary of India. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. Next, question number 4. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland of India? The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland of India is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east respectively. Next, question number 5. Name the countries which are larger than India. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Next, question number 6. What is the southernmost point of the Indian Union called? The southernmost point of the Indian Union is called Indira Point. The southernmost point of the Indian Union is called Indira Point. Next, question number 7. What is the standard meridian of India? The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east. Next, question number 8. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. How has it helped India? Since the opening of the Suez Canal, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km. Next, question number 9. Name the countries with which India shares its land boundaries in the east. Myanmar and Bangladesh. Next, question number 10. Name the southern neighbors of India. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Now, question number 11. Which country is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea, the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar? Sri Lanka. Question number 12. Name the states through which passes the Tropic of Cancer. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Next, question number 13. Which neighboring country of India is an island? Maldives is an island country which lies in the south of India. Maldives is an island country which lies in the south of India. Next, question number 14. Which islands groups lies in the southwest of India? The Lakshadweep Islands groups lies in the southwest of India. The Lakshadweep Islands groups lies in the southwest of India. Students, now we are going to complete classwork note. Take your classwork note. In this lesson, we are going to complete 5 questions in our classwork note. Students, first of all, complete Geography, Lesson 1, India, Size and Location. Next, first Roman answer the following questions. Write question number 1 in your classwork note. Question number 1 is, describe the location of India in the world map. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into 2 equal parts. To the southeast of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. To the southwest of the mainland lies the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. The extent of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is latitudinal extents 6 degree 45 minute north to 14 degree north. Longitudinal extent 92 degree east to 94 degree east. The extent of the Lakshadweep Island is latitudinal extent 8 degree north to 12 degree 3 minute north. Longitudinal extent 71 degree east to 74 minute east. The southernmost point of the Indian Union is Indira Point, but it is submerged in the ocean in 2004 in tsunami. Next, question number 2. Write about the size of India, or what is the length and breadth of India? In this question, we have 3 points. Point number 1. The total geographical area of the landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.42% of the total geographical area of the world. Point number 2. India is the 7th largest country of the world. Point number 3. The country has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. Next, question number 3. Why do we need a standard meridian for India? India is a large country. It covers a long range of longitudes. As we know that variation in time is caused by longitudinal difference. So, the time difference between the westernmost and the easternmost longitudes of India should be very large. For example, the time of Arunachal Pradesh should be 2 hours ahead of Gujarat. But such a situation could cause inconvenience in the activities like transmission of information across different parts of the same country. To avoid this, we designate the 82° 30' east longitude as standard meridian. The time at this longitude is accepted all across India as the Indian Standard Time. Next, question number 4. Why is Indian Ocean named after our country? Give 3 reasons. Indian Ocean is named after India because India has the longest coastline on the Indian Ocean. India has a central location between East and West Asia. India's southernmost extension, the Deccan Peninsula, extends towards the Indian Ocean, which makes it significant to international trade done through the Indian Ocean. Next, question number 5. What is the prime meridian? What is the other name for it and why? The prime meridian is the imaginary line used to indicate 0° longitude that passes through Greenwich. It is also known as Greenwich Meridian because it passes through the place called Greenwich in London.